Hello everyone, this is our chapter 2 polynomials. Here in this session algebraic identities, we are going to complete the exercise 2.5. Yes, your 8th problem and your first subdivision, we are going to factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. After seeing this, we can come to one judgment. This is an a cube b cube. So obviously first we have to find the perfect cube. The perfect cube of 8 is 2, right? So 2a the whole cube. Then the perfect cube of 1, because the coefficient of b cube is 1. So 1b cube plus 3 into, what is the formula? A square b. Here what is your a? 2a. So 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into ab square. 2a into b the whole square. So 2a plus b the whole cube formula. The whole cube means 3 times you have to multiply. Right? Then your second subdivision, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12ab a square b plus 6ab square. Again we are going to split it out. The perfect cube of 8 is equal to 2a the whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into a square b. So here a is 2a. 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square, ab square. So which formula it is? In between we are seeing minus symbol. So 2a minus b the whole cube. Whole cube means 3 times we have to write 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Next your third question. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So the perfect cube we are finding out. 27 means 3 cube minus 125 means 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So 5a the whole cube minus 3a square b. 3 into, here what is your a? 3. So 3 square into b, 5a plus 3ab square. 3 into 5a the whole square, which is in the format 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Your ninth problem, we are going to verify. So x cube plus y equal x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. First we are going to take the x plus y the whole cube formula. From that we are going to derive. What is that x plus y the whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Keep that x cube plus y cube as it is, because we have to find that only. So take the remaining thing to the left hand side. X plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Which one is common in both the terms? X plus y is common. Take that outside. So x plus y the whole square minus 3xy. Write the formula of x plus y the whole square. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus 3xy. If we simplify, what we are getting? X plus y plus y square. X square plus y square minus xy. This is our x cube plus y cube. The same thing, now we are going to verify x cube minus y cube. So for what formula we have to take? X minus y the whole cube formula we have to take. So what is the formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So keep that x cube minus y cube as it is, because we have to find that only. So bring the remaining thing to left hand side. So x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. See which term is common in both the terms? X minus y. So take the x minus y outside. Then what are all the remaining? X minus y the whole square plus 3xy. Write the formula of x minus y the whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square plus the remaining 3xy. So if we simplify, what we are getting? X minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. This is a formula of x cube minus y cube. Your 10th problem, we are going to factorize. Right? So 27y cube plus 125z cube. So first we have to, like that if you are seeing now, first we have to find the perfect cube. So 27 means what is the perfect cube? 3. 3 into 3 into 3. So 3y the whole cube plus 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. So 5z the whole cube. So here what is your x? 3y. What is your y? 5z. So substitute in the formula x cube plus y cube, x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So the formula, we are substituting the value of a and b. So what we are getting? 3y plus 5z into 9y square, because 3y square means 9y square minus 3 into 5, 15y plus y square into 25 z square. Is it clear? Next is second subdivision, 64m cube minus 343n cube. So first find out the perfect cube. 64 means 4. 4 into 4 into 4. So 4m the whole cube minus 7n the whole cube. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7, 343. Now we found out our x and y, right? So substitute in the formula. 4m minus 7n into, instead of x we have to substitute 4m square plus 4m into 7n into 7n square. If we simplify, we will get the answer. Next, your 15th question, first subdivision, we are going to factorize and we are going to find the length and the breadth. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So first the coefficient of a square into 12 will gives you 300. Now we are going to find the product will be 300, and if we add we will get minus 35. So 20 into 15. How we can write? 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. So what is common in the two terms? 5a. So 5a minus 4 minus, in the last two terms 3 is common. 5a minus 4. In both the terms which is common? 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3 the remaining. So the 5a minus 4 is your length and 5a minus 3 is your breadth. Which means 5a minus 3 is your length, right? So 5a minus 4 is your breadth. It is clear? Nothing but we have to factorize. The same question here. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. First multiply the coefficient of y square and constant. What we will get? 35 into minus 12 minus 420. Right. If we make the product, it will be minus 420. If we add, we will get 13. So 28 into minus 15. How we can write? 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. In the first two terms which is common? 7. So 5y plus 4. In the second two term which is common? Minus 3. So minus 3 into 5y plus 4. What we can write? In the both the term 5y plus 4 is common. So 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. So your length is 7y minus 3 and your breadth is 5y plus 4. Is it clear? It's nothing but we are going to factorize. Then here we have to find our volume they have given. So what's your first question? Volume they have given, we have to find the dimensions. 3x square minus 12x. So in both the terms which is common? 3x is common. If you take it, what is the remaining? X minus 4. So our length is the first term 3, breadth is x and your height is x minus 4. Is it clear? Simply the common terms we are taking outside. Then your second question, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. As usual, we are multiplying and what we are getting? 5 into minus 3. First we are taking 4k common as outside. So what are the remaining? 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Right? So 3 into 5 will gives you minus 15. What are the factors? 5 and minus 3. So 4k into 3y square minus 3y minus 5y minus 5. So first two terms which is common, y is common, 3y plus 5, and the second two terms which is common, minus 1. So 4k into 3y plus y and the 3y minus 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class, the new chapter. Thank you.